5 Easy Ways to Make Money Offline. The article is designed to give an out-of-the-box perspective on how you can charge local offline businesses for general internet marketing services, but specifically not SEO services or setting up autoresponders. I have a lot of success performing various internet marketing services for offline businesses. Here are the 5 simple methods that you can use to make easy money from local offline businesses. Method number 1. One simple thing you can do is offer article marketing services to a local business. You can explain to them the benefits of article marketing, such as the traffic it can potentially bring their website, the leads it could generate for them, the SEO benefits of having backlinks from articles, etc. If you're an article writer, you might be getting anywhere from $1.50 to $17 plus per article online, but most freelancers get about $3 to $7 per article on average. However, when you offer article marketing for offline businesses to promote their business and/or their website, you can charge a lot. I have gotten anywhere from $25 to $50 per article from offline businesses, and they are more than happy with the results. Plus, most businesses will want you to write 10 to 20 per month for them once you explain how article marketing really works. If you can't write an article to save your life, you can always outsource to an online freelancer that produces quality work. Heck, even if you paid a freelancer $10 per article, you would still bank a very nice profit. Method number 2. Another method of making some easy money in the offline local business world is to offer blog creation services to local businesses. A blog is super simple and free to create. You do not have to have any technical knowledge whatsoever. I recommend using blogger.com because they are owned by Google, so you know that it will rank nicely on Google's search engine. You can actually log in using your existing Google account if you have a Gmail account or any Google account. It's the same username and password as your Gmail account, or you can create an account for free. Make sure you create the domain name of the blog to be the name of your client's businesses. It will come out looking like this: yourclientsbusiness.blogspot.com, in case you don't know already. The main purpose of the blog is going to be an additional source of traffic for your client's business. It will also link back to their main website, giving them a valuable backlink which is helpful for SEO. A blog is basically a website, but with more bells and whistles. The targeted traffic equals leads equals customers. That is why having a blog is important for your client. Also, nowadays people love blogs and they love reading other people's businesses' blogs. Most major companies and multi-million-dollar businesses have blogs, so why shouldn't your client? This can serve as a great selling point when pitching this to businesses. As far as how much to charge an offline business for creating a blog, or multiple blogs, for them it's really up to you. Some people enjoy the concept of charging low prices for this service and getting more clients because of it. For example, if you charge only $100 for this, you might be able to do 5 or 6 in a week easy. That's $500 to $600 a week, $2,000 plus per month, which is a great living for many people. Others would rather charge more, like $4.99 plus, for a custom blog, and they would rather have fewer clients. Instead of needing to get 5 clients to make $500, they only need to get 1. I like both of those concepts and both have worked for me before, so again, it's really up to you. Method number 3. The third method of making easy cash from offline businesses is to offer MySpace Facebook page creation services. Every big-name business nowadays has a MySpace page or a Facebook page, which is a great selling point for this service. Once you explain the benefits of social networking, building, granted, a lot of businesses might already have one or they know how to set it up, but many will not. These are the ones you must find and then offer to create one for them. Some businesses might have a MySpace page but not a Facebook, or vice versa. Some businesses might need you to pimp their MySpace page. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $100 easily to set up a MySpace or Facebook page for a local offline business. How many of these do you think you can do in a week? Plus, it should only take an hour at most, more like 15 minutes, to set up one of these pages for your client, so the labor involved is not difficult at all. Therefore, $100 is worth it. If you can charge more and you feel like it's appropriate, then by all means, do it. Method number 4. This method involves a little bit more work, but not much. Many businesses could benefit greatly from having Craigslist ads posted for them once a week or once a day even. Craigslist gets over 10 million visitors a day. This can obviously be a great selling point for this service. Once a business owner hears that and confirm it, if they need to, you will be able to charge them for this service with no problem. You can package together different options, such as 5 Craigslist ads per week for $30 or 1 month of Craigslist advertising. I think $10 per ad is fair for offline businesses, considering they pay the Yellow Pages and other advertising companies much more money. If you do 5 a week for them, that's $50 a week, which comes out to $200 per month, from just one client. It should only take about 5 minutes or so to post a Craigslist ad for someone. It is not difficult at all. Method number 5. Last but not least, we are going to discuss a method that makes some people a lot of money. I know a guy who manages the PPC, pay-per-click, advertising campaign for a big-name security company, and he makes serious money. We are talking 5 figures a month. Of course, we are not going after that just yet. However, there is plenty of easy money to be made in the setting up of a business's PPC campaign. I'm sure many of you who are reading this have already tried PPC advertising at one time or another. If you haven't, all you have to do is set up a free account at adwords.google.com and set up a starter campaign with a very small and affordable budget. I suggest somewhere around $5 to $10 per day. By using this free keyword tool located at adwords.google.com/select/keyword tool external, you can plug in your main keywords that your client's business wants to target. For example, tuxedo rentals in Las Vegas. The keyword tool will bring up related keyword phrases and show you how many times each keyword/phrase gets searched for per month. It will also show you how much advertiser competition there is for each keyword. Of course, you will want to select the keywords that get a decent when you are in Google AdWords setting up a PPC account. They will also offer many keyword suggestions. You will not be the one to maintain and manage their PPC campaign unless you know what you're doing and or have previous experience with this type of work. However, what you can do is tell them what PPC advertising is all about and see if they are interested in giving it a shot. It is, after all, a way to get on top of Google for certain keywords really quickly. Advertising is the most important expense of any business, and in my experience, most business owners are more than willing to give PPC advertising a shot. The Yellow Pages charges $2,000 a month for their Google type listing. If your client wants to target local keywords, then this will be much more affordable for them. To set up their PPC campaign, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 plus, depending on how knowledgeable you are, how good you are at keyword research, and what you feel comfortable charging. As long as you are willing to for the work for X amount of money, and your client is willing to pay X amount of money, the deal is fair and it is a win-win situation for both parties. Summarizing all 5 steps, you can also come up with a package that includes all 5 of the simple methods described above. It would look something like this. 1. Article marketing. 2. Blog and Squid lens creation. 3. MySpace/Facebook creation. 4. Craigslist advertising, set up PPC campaign. This whole package combined could be worth a nice chunk of change. You can charge $500 or more for this package easily. The labor involved, Plus, the potential results are worth every penny to the business owner and for you. Well, I'm sure you'd be happy as well. Again, this report was designed to give you an out-of-the-box perspective on how you can charge local offline businesses for general internet marketing services, but specifically not SEO services or setting up autoresponders. Thank you.